Now it's as you were as incumbent Elaine Walker-Brown beat the controversies and Dr. Jason Mackay to retain the offices of the St. Catherine Football Association president following today's election at the Cowan's Ballroom in Old Harbour. Walker-Brown secured 50 votes to Mackay's 33.
It's an election which should have taken place weeks ago, but controversies and an injunction has seen a delay. But when the go-ahead came, it opened the door for the challengers, who are led by Dr. Jason Mackay, to try unseat the Elaine Walker-Brown team. Depending on who you're listening to, there were signs of a new leader, so it's understandable Walker-Brown's mood going to the polls.
I was a little bit nervous, but I wasn't doubtful, because the affiliates that we have and what we have done, we think that they will bring me back.
But for Mackay, who was touted to dethrone the incumbent, things fell apart.
I think we were somewhat hurt by the fact that 5 of our primary clubs didn't make it, and that would have been 10 votes. And then there's then the referees were disenfranchised, another club was disenfranchised, and other things like that. And then rules were breached as it relates to the executive being allowed to vote as delegates. So there were rules broken, but at the end of the day, no matter how you twist and turn it, she received the support of 25 clubs, and there is only 46 clubs in the parish. And it is important that persons have the right to choose who leads them. So irrespective of the outcome, I may not like it, but the democracy of the process is important. And in this particular case, 25 clubs chose her.
And despite some clubs voting against her, Walker-Brown says no one will be disenfranchised.
They know that I'm not going to be vindictive. They are the clubs for St. Catherine, and what goes to one, you see, I keep saying that, what goes to one goes to all. So they are all my clubs. Is for them to adhere and follow, and we build on this.
But Mackay says he will be watching to see that all is run on a fair ground.
The reason why myself and the slate went against her isn't because we have ambitions in football administration. It's because we felt that she was doing wrong to the parish. If she changes her approach and does right by the parish, then maybe we wouldn't even oppose her going forward. If she continues just as she has for the last 4 years, trust me, we'll be right back here.
So round 1 between the two is over. Round 2 is still to come, as there is a defamation case in front of the courts.
Defamation suit is against her, not against SCAFA. And we do expect to be paid the money. We're a very large part of Mackay Security's budget is in sports sponsorship. We simply can't sit down and accept that somebody can just make a statement like that who holds an office in a formal sporting body.
There's a court case, you understand me? And I say Jesus. And we forgive, but we don't forget.
Walker-Brown's victory will see her doing another 4 years as president of the St. Catherine Football Association. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Overseas now.